Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a haul, something completely and utterly different. I just returned back from going to the Sincerely Yours show at Leigh at the Sports Centre, and I just thought I'd share with you what I actually purchased. So main things I got, it was cardstock and ink pads if I'm honest, but I will still share these with you. So the cardstock I got was this gorgeous black holographic card, and I think there's 5 sheets of this in here, and now I've got it home I wish I'd got more of this. It's absolutely beautiful. We got some purple cardstock. I got 2 packs of parchment or vellum, then I got like this raspberry pink card and got 2 of those. We've got a red cardstock. I got this gorgeous green, and then I got 3 packs of this gorgeous teal. So those are main, and then the rest I got a load of the navy cardstock here to make my wedding invitations. So that was like the bulk of my cardstock that I got. Then I got see some adhesives that they were selling off for £1. I've never actually used this, but I thought it would come in handy, and it's the water glue dot and dab, and I thought it was a cool price for £1. And then I got 2 of the tonics. It didn't really need any more of this, but for that price I wasn't going to leave it. Then sadly the people who do the Me flour is closing up, so they were selling everything off for 50p or 2 for £1. So these was 2 for £1. So I've got some lovely butterflies. I got some pink dummies, as you know I always do lots of baby albums and stuff, and I got some blue dummies. I picked up these little baby things for the baby album, so there's a mixture of everything in there. I actually got all of this ribbons for 50p, couldn't leave it for that price. I think that one up, there's another set of these metal butterflies again. So that was it from the Me flour. I also picked up some stick and spray. I've been after some of this for quite a while, but it always seems to be out of stock, so now I've finally got some. And then on another store I bought some of these battery operated lights, so I thought these would be really cool because I really enjoyed using them when I did my project for the competition. And then I got this stencil here for £2, so I thought it was cute, so I really like that. And then the rest of it was all off one stall, I think. So the first thing we got was this Creative Expressions stencil using clouds, and then they'd done a card with this, and I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. And this is a woodware stamp by Jane Gill, and I'm trying to see what it's called, and I can't actually see a name for what it's called. Oh, there it is finally, and it's called Mini Bubble Blooms Annie. So I thought that was really cute. And then I've been trying to find some of these Versa Craft ink pads, but they're so expensive on like eBay and stuff, and I'd spotted these, and these were selling them off. I think there was like £1 each. So I wanted to do some stuff on fabric, so I've got quite a few colours. We've got white, peony purple, emerald, cerulean blue, poppy red, pine, sky mist, midnight, real black, tangerine, wisteria, maize, ultramarine, burgundy, cherry pink and cool grey. So I've got lots of colours to be going on with there. And then as you can see, I've got lots of these distress inks and distress oxides to help complete my collection. I've still got a fair few to go, but I'll just show you the ones I did actually get. So I'll do the inks first. So we've got the Blueprint Sketch, Carved Pumpkin, Candied Apple, Saltwater Taffy, Picket Fence, Wild Violet, Iced Spruce, Evergreen Bough, and Festive Berries. So there was the distress inks, and then we'll do the distress oxide. So we've got Stormy Sky, Tumbled Glass, Tattered Rose, Squeezed Lemonade, Bundled Sage, Mowed Lawn, Saltwater Taffy, Hickory Smoke. I really wanted this in the distress ink as well, but I couldn't find it, unfortunately. Evergreen Bough, Barn Door, Mermaid Lagoon, Shabby Shutters, Forest Moss, Old Paper, and the last one is Blueprint Sketch. So yeah, that was my haul from Sincerely Yours craft show. So if anyone has been to see the show today, I'd really like to hear from you. Maybe we could chat and stuff, just because you must be local to me. And without further ado, I'm going to go, but thanks for watching, and I'd love it if you would please comment and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and I shall catch you in the next video. Bye!